Scooter looking at the cows. Saying, wow, them cows, there's something else. Oh, I can't get him focused. There he is. He's watching them cows. Them cows looking at him. See there? He's looking at the cows. The cows looking at him. There's one way back there. He's showing up looking at him. There's some birds flying. Scooter just got all kind of stuff to look at this morning. That cow landed on that cow's back. That bird, I mean, not the cow. The bird landed on the cow's back. Eat them flies and all that on. All right.